Hi everyone! Kumusta po tayong lahat? Well, hoping everyone is doing well despite the pandemic that we are facing right now. Well, we just need to follow the health protocol to avoid the virus. Well guys, for today's video, I'm going to share with you how to download Kinemaster without Watermark. Okay, well guys, I know you're now ready, so let's start. Okay guys, so on your Chrome guys, okay, let's open our Chrome, tap this one, then on the search tab we are going to type there panda helper, check, then there guys, we are going to pick the first one, Panda Helper iOS and Android APK. We're just going to choose this one, tap it, then guys, so there guys, you have already seen the panda icon, and there are two options there, download for iPhone and download for Android. So since we are going to use our Android phone, we are going to tap download for Android, tap this one guys. Okay, and there guys, we are going to tap again Panda Helper APK1, this one guys, tap it. So let's wait, then there you go, download. So guys, we are going to click download, tap download as you have seen there, then it's download file downloaded, and just open it, open. Then Panda Helper, do you want to install this application? Okay, just click or tap install. Panda is installing. Okay, so app installed, let's just click done. Okay, so check natin guys if it's already on your phone. Okay, so there, it's there now guys in my phone. So next that we are going to do is to open Panda. We are going to click open it, tap it, then just skip this one, tap skip. Okay, skip it, then Panda allow helper allow Panda helper to access this device's location, allow all the time. Okay, just click this one guys, allow all the time, tap that one. Then on the search tab up, we are going to type their Kinemaster. Here guys, dito type na natin dyan yung Kinemaster, type Kinemaster. Okay, search, and there guys, you have seen there the two icons of Kinemaster. Get the first one, tap get. Okay, then allow Panda Helper to make and manage phone calls, yes, allow. Then allow Panda Helper to access photos, media, and files on your device, allow. Then there is this patalastas. Okay, let's start, tap it so that we can go back. Okay, just go back. Okay, let's tap it again to continue downloading. Kinemaster is continue downloading. Let's wait for a little while. Just continue. Let's wait for it to have it down 100% downloaded. So there guys, still downloading. Okay, continue. Ito for a short while so that this Kinemaster app will be downloaded. So we'll wait for it. So there guys, you know what, Kinemaster is very important to vloggers dahil dito sa Kinemaster na ito, you can edit your um, video, photos, and you can highlight it. At napakadali lang siyang gamitin, guys, ng itong Kinemaster na ito. As long na makatutunan mo yung mga feature nito, then you can easily use this Kinemaster. Okay, there guys, it's already downloaded. Paano helper? For your security, your phone is not allowed to install unknown apps from this source. Okay. Well, kung lumabas ito ba sa inyong phone, just click settings, then release this one. Allow app installs. Just release this one. Okay, then it will continue. So, then install. Okay, install it. Okay, there guys, Kinemaster starts installing in my phone. Okay, let's wait for it. Antayin natin siya matapos. And there, it's already installed. Then, just open it. Open. So, there guys, allow Kinemaster to access photos, media, and live files on your device. Yes, allow. Okay, there guys. Then, welcome to Kinemaster. It creates, edit, and share videos on the go. Very useful app for us vloggers. Okay, so just drag this one, and this one, and the second one, and then let's start. Let's start now. Okay, we are going to click this one to go to the interface of the Kinemaster. So, tap start, and then there guys, that's the actual interface of the Kinemaster. As you have noticed guys, itong Kinemaster, wala na siya nakalagay na watermark. Yung watermark na binabanggit natin guys, yung parang naka-ukit dyan sa inyong face ng cellphone na parang ano to, yung tawag dito, yung kanyang kulay ay parang nagwawatery. Naka-ano siya doon, naka-mark siya doon talaga sa inyong cellphone, or yun sa inyong pag ginagamit niyo yung Kinemaster na with watermark. Ang tawag doon guys is Kinemaster with watermark. Ibig sabihin, yun yung Kinemaster na maybe ginagamit ang Kinemaster na yan, pero yun ay bumili or may premium. Well, this one, Kinemaster without watermark, as is you can use it. Hindi ka magbabayad, you can use it freely. So, ito guys yung advantage ng Kinemaster without watermark. You can easily use it. Then, hindi ka na magbabayad. So, ito guys yung Kinemaster. So, let's go further. Type. Ayan, this one guys. Ito na yung select the aspect ratio of the project. Blender guys. So, yun ito guys yung yung interface ng actual interface kung saan tayo mag-edit ng ating video, photos, and everything that we wanted to edit. So guys, yan, ganun lang mag-download ng Kinemaster without watermark. Napakadali lang. So tandaan guys na ang Kinemaster ay isa sa pinakamabisang app para sa ating mga vlogger, para magamit natin sa pag-edit ng ating mga videos, din ating mga pictures na i-upload natin sa ating mga YouTube channel. So guys, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Sana huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-like, subscribe, and leave comments below. And have a nice day everyone. Ingat tayong lahat. Okay, bye-bye!